A few weeks ago, I was talking to Riley on Snapchat, and she said this.
Would you be willing to do a video of me making weird noises?
Oh, kind of like how Pixel had made Bopitmaster8 Weird Noises Compilation. Later on in the conversation, she mentioned this.
I was playing around with my Bopitmaker the other day, and I was saying some random Norwegian stuff, and I'm like, somebody needs to record this, put it into a rapid-fire compilation so I can post it.
Oh my god. Yeah, I think we can make that work sometime. Might be a while, though.
Approximately 4 weeks later, Riley sent Kane the audio to create the compilation, and the weirdness had begun.
Alright, Kane, do your thing. Ei, hallo, ei, Welt, Samba, Chihuahua, Chihuahua, Fisk, Hü, Ohr, weitergeben. Ost, Welt, Wann, Fjell, Bug, Ski, Handball, Fot, Nei, R, Du, Kaffe, Hest, Grønn, Hvit, Gul, Blå, Yellow, Jamaica, Quiet, Shut up, Bleh, Kom igjen, Gå, 5, Blå,
I guess that's the end of the compilation. Alright, Riley. You want something to drink? I've got Coca-Cola, I've got Pepsi, I've got Shasta. What do you want to drink?
Ja, kjæreste.
You want Shasta? Okay. Ah, crap. I just realized we don't have any Shasta.
Shit.
Well, I guess I'll just...
Kakk, sukker, kake,
Riley, what are you doing to Justin?
Norge.
Okay, now it's the end. Goodbye.
Bruh.